here's what running does to your blood sugar. All right, so I went on a 2 mile run and I started off at 91 milligrams per deciliter and ended off with 88 milligrams per deciliter. I was just curious. I didn't expect it to spike, but who knows when you're running what kind of glucose your body might release for energy, etc. So I was curious. Um, Here we have me running another case, 4 miles, and with that, I started off at 98 milligrams per deciliter, and it just dropped 1 point down to 97 milligrams per deciliter. So it looks like it continued to drop down a little bit, very minute, but yeah, hopefully this is helpful for you. I was just curious and I wanted to do this. Leave a comment if you want to request any activities or foods for me to eat and show the results. And subscribe if you want to see results that other people request that you might be interested in. Awesome, guys. See ya. Bye.